In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start using Shein, a popular online fashion retailer known for its trendy clothes and affordable prices. Whether you're looking for the latest in fashion or want to start your online shopping journey, Shein offers a wide range of options to suit various styles and preferences. Today, I'll guide you through the initial steps to get you started on Shein quickly and efficiently. First things first, we'll begin by navigating to the Shein website. Open your preferred web browser and type in the Shein URL. Once you're there, you'll be greeted with a vibrant homepage showcasing the latest arrivals, trends, and sales. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. You'll notice a variety of categories such as women's, men's, and kids' fashion right at the top. This makes it easy to jump into the type of clothing you're most interested in. But our focus today is on getting you set up to start using Shein to its full potential. Next, let's make sure you have an account set up. Look towards the upper right-hand corner of the web page where you'll see the Sign In Register option. Go ahead and click on it. When you get to the Sign In page, if you're new to Shein, you'll want to register and set up an account to enjoy personalized shopping, track your orders, and save your favorite items. You have the choice to sign up using your email address or link through one of several social media accounts. Pick whichever method is most convenient for you. If you already have an account, go ahead and enter your credentials to log in. Once you have successfully logged into your new or existing account, you're all set. The registration process is quick and sets the stage for a more tailored and enjoyable shopping experience. With an account, you'll receive notifications about exclusive deals and be able to create wish lists for future purchasing. Now that you're done with the setup, feel free to explore everything Shein has to offer. You can start browsing through categories, shop by trends, or even check out curated collections that might catch your eye. Remember, Shein also frequently updates its inventory to reflect current fashion trends, so there's always something new to discover. I hope this guide helps you on your journey with Shein. After following these straightforward steps, you should feel ready to explore what the site has to offer and start shopping the latest fashion trends with ease. Thank you for watching and happy shopping.